when you get your goggles and after you've adjusted them, I'm just going to quickly show you how to put them on if you were helping a child. So easiest way is to have them hold it to their eyes. There we go. And then you're going to take those straps and flip them over. Then you want the straps to be around their occipital bone and kind of framing this part of their head. Comfort level is different for kids. As soon as they go down, the goggles are likely to not stay on section-wise. So up here, frame this spot. The last step is you want to make sure that you smack their face, their eyes, the goggles right here. Okay? You can hear that smack and you know that it's suctioned to their face. And the suction is important. It has to be suctioned for the water to not leak. You know that it's not suctioned if you can see their eyes and their goggles are filled with water. That might mean that you need a little bit more tightening or an extra suction, an extra smack. Sometimes kids will have like a little raccoon eye, which is, just the lining around their eye from the goggles. A little bit is okay. When it is super red and their eyes hurt, then your goggles are too tight.